chicken in a tutu, dancing on the floor. She slipped on a banana, boom! Now she's out the door. The cow said, moo, I'll join you too. But then she sat on a whoopee cushion, PFFFT. Dance, dance, silly dance, wiggle your nose and pull down your pants. Oops, not really, just her socks. Jump, jump like a frog, but don't fall into the pickle jar. Splash, oh dog. A monkey stole my underwear and put it on his head. He swung from the chandelier, now mommy's face is red. The pig joined in, did the oinky spin, but he tripped on a meatball. There he goes again.